In this video, you will learn how to apply for the Lazada credit card. First, choose a credit card issuer. Lazada partners with several different banks, such as Citibank, Union Bank, or UOB, to offer co-branded credit cards. Each card has unique perks like cashback, Lazada credit, or reward points. Check eligibility. Make sure you meet the bank's requirement. For example, you must be at least 18 years old and meet the minimum annual income requirement, which is often around $10,000 per year. Gather required documents, such as valid government-issued ID, proof of income such as payslips or bank statements, tax identification number such as TIN or social security number, other documents depending on your bank requirements. Submit your application. Go to the bank's official website or mobile app, fill out the online application form, and upload your documents to submit. Wait for approval. The bank will review your application and notify you of your results, and process times vary. Receive and activate your card. Once you have received your card, activate your Lazada credit card by mail. Follow the activation instructions to start using it and enjoying exclusive Lazada benefits. Now you know how to apply for a credit card using Lazada. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.